Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we learn about singular and plural nouns. अगर इससे पहले आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। चलें वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। A noun can refer one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. Singular noun 1. Plural noun more than one. Singular noun a noun that names one person, place, animal or thing. Person, place, animal, thing. Plural noun a noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing. Persons, places, animals. Cat, singular, cats, plural. Bird, singular, birds, plural. Doll, singular, dolls, plural. Boy, singular, boys, plural. Ant, singular, ants, plural. Flower, singular, flowers, plural. Tree, singular, trees, plural. Pencil, singular, pencils, plural. Bag, singular, bags, plural. Apple, singular, apples, plural. Cake, singular, cakes, plural. Add es that noun to end in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z to get their plural form. Knife, singular, knives, plural. ves convert in plural form. Bus, singular, buses, plural. Glass, singular, glasses, plural. Brush, singular, brushes, plural. Cherry, singular, cherries, plural. Box, singular, boxes, plural. Baby, singular, babies, plural. Thanks for watching.